Hello everyone and welcome to NAB 2025. My name is Josh Tucker with TVU Networks and I'm here to show off everything brand new we have at NAB 2025. All right, let's go take a look at the booth. Now, one of the main things that we've been talking about at NAB is the fact that we are implementing a new way of purchasing our products, which is with TVU tokens, which are showing off right here in our Workflow Studio Builder. Now, one thing we really pride ourselves on at TVU Networks is being able to create custom workflows with our partners, whether you need 2 camera feed, whether you need 15 camera feeds, or 369 camera feeds like we did with the BBC during the election. But right here, if you take a quick look, in the system of where we're purchasing tokens, you're gonna be able to use this workflow builder. So we're really making it easy for you to decide how much it's gonna cost. You don't have to worry about if it costs hourly or subscription models. You're gonna be able to buy a bulk of tokens, and when you buy those tokens, they can be used across the entire TVU media platform, which we're really excited to show off here. If you look here, we've got all of our decoders. You wanna add sources, you wanna add inputs, you wanna add color corrections, video mixing, TVU producer. You can quickly add inputs, outputs, processing on micro apps. And again, this is gonna be available to our customers and to our partners who want to be able to create something custom, right? It can be hard, especially in the cloud, so we're working to demystify it as much as possible. So tokens, you're gonna be able to buy them monthly, you can buy them in bulk, discounts and things of that nature, but we're real excited to be able to show this off right here. And so we've been able to have a lot of really good feedback. But again, the main thing I want to reiterate with the tokens, with the platform that we're building here, is that these, if you decide, hey, I want to use TVU Producer with 50 inputs for 2 months, and then next month the production gets canceled, right? If you already bought those hours, they might not roll over. But with tokens, you can switch them to Replay, you can switch them to TVU Media Hub, you can switch them to our fast channel solution, RTT with TVU channel, right? Anything you want to do, you can use them. It's being rolled out right now, and we're really excited about it. This is the Network Operations Center, and what we've really worked on here, I talked about demystifying the cloud, and that is exactly what this is. Now, TVU's been in the cloud for a really long time now. We helped lead the charge, but one thing that we found is that customers and partners, it can be a little scary, right? So what we've done is we've built an entire TV station in the cloud that allows you to know if problems are arising. If you need to color correct, you can do it in real time here. And again, I'm not gonna go through all the details. We have Robin Wu who's gonna give us the details here, where you can color correct in real time, have nice little gradual transition here. If you need to find out what the bit rate is, audio codec, anything you need to know, and it can even do automatic failover. If a problem has arisen, it's gonna be able to know before it goes live. So if black happens, you get 5 or 6 frames. We don't want that to go out. That's like worst case scenario in live video. So this is designed to make this as seamless as possible. Another thing we're showing off is our frame rate conversion. It's something we're really excited about as well. If you need to go from 60 FPS to 50 FPS, it can happen right here. Go to SDR to HDR. Again, this entire network operations center is designed to make sure in the cloud you have full confidence in everything that's happening, because we really want to make sure that you know what's happening, when it's happening, and calculate any problems before they arise. Here's one of our flagship packs. I'll talk about one of this as well, but it's enough about the network operations center. Tariffs right now are a hot button topic, so you could very easily type in tariffs, and every time anyone says tariffs through, it's being fed into our system, you're gonna get an automatic notification, email warning. So it allows you to make it where if somebody needs to know, it's gonna happen automatically for them. So really excited about that. Did I miss anything, James? Anything you wanna add?
Just the social media publishing.
Yeah, social media publishing. We talked very briefly about it.
9x16.
Yep, 9x16. If you need to put it on 16:9 also, right? It can be vertical, horizontal. You can change it. Again, it's designed to make it as easy as possible for our customers to put it out. Clipping is a massive thing, and by clips, I mean taking this section of the video and throwing it on social media. I mean, it's everywhere, and it's gonna make your life so much easier, and also it can be automated. So when I was in local news, I did not want to just sit there and clip. I wanted to be creating content. I wanted to be creative, and this tool allows you to focus on creating the content instead of something minor like finding the content. It's right there and ready for you to go. Thanks, James, appreciate you. Here we have our frame accurate switching in our entire production studio in the cloud with TVU producer, TVU remote commentator, TVU replay. This is what we've done, is built an entire control room, and it's been in development for many, many years now. And every NAB, I think probably the last 5 or 6 years, if not even longer, we're able to add more and more features that our customers are needing. One of the cool things we're showing off as well is the hardware integrations. We found that with some of our customers, they're used to certain switchers. They're used to audio control panels and all of that. You know, they might not want to use it in a browser. If you want to drag and drop with your mouse, you can, but we're fully integrated with many of the key products here that you see here. Stream decks as well. One of the people we've partnered to collaborate with and make some really good partners. And if you look right here, actually, real quick, this is Johnny, if I could remember his name. He works in our South Korean office, but he's showing off TVU Producer, where you've got multiple live feeds going in. And the cool thing about TVU is all of these feeds are able to be sent to our different products, whether it's Remote Commentator, Remote Commentator is a tool that allows for you to have people from anywhere around the world synchronize with the source that's going out to the audience, right? It's important to make sure that what the commentator is talking about is exactly what they're seeing as well with the feed. So we create different rooms for your remote commentator to make that kind of happen. Again, instant replay is something we've showed off many years ago. We're improving it every single day. You can use an iPad. You can have somebody control instant replay from around the world. So instead you could save money on travel, save money on a lot of different sources there to make sure things are looking good. One more thing I'm really excited to show off is the newest edition of the TVU1 family. Now, you guys might be familiar with the TVU RPS1, which is our multi-camera pack video transmitter that we've released about 2 years ago. But this time we have the single input model. So that has 4 SDI ports. This one has 1 SDI port and then 1 HDMI port as well. And what we're really excited about this is the fact that it allows to have the 6 5G modems internally, so you can have the strongest, most reliable connection using our ISX algorithm, which again powers all of the packs we have at TVU Networks. And we're real excited to be showing this off because it means more options, right? Different budgets, different size constraints, different productions require very unique tools. So we're real excited to be showing this off at NAB 2025. It's a little chaotic over here, so I'm gonna try to sneak through and show off some more things at TVU. They're also showing off. One of the things I wanted to show off, looks like we're not gonna get time, was this Media Hub, right? A lot of the products that you're talking about here is built within TVU Agents, which started with TVU Media Hub. It's a Dockerized system that allows you to bring TVU products directly into your own hardware, right? So if you don't want to use the cloud, obviously we're very excited about everything having the cloud, but if you have old receivers, you have old computers, we can compile them all together for you, and you can give new life to your receiver who might not be being used. So whether it is you need a router or distribution, and that all ties in very directly with the AWS cloud infrastructure. So if you have 10 feeds today, and you can only handle 10 feeds on-prem, right, with what you have in hardware, but tomorrow there's breaking news and you need to have 50 feeds, what are you gonna do? Well, with the TVU agent, you're able to expand for your worst possible day or best possible day of how many feeds, and you're not gonna have to buy new hardware. It's just all as a pay per use model with the TVU tokens that we talked about as well. I think that pretty much covers it. We're really excited about everything happening here at NAB 2025. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and we hope to see you next year in 2026. Thank you so much.